Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to allow server members to send you friend requests on Discord with the latest update. If you're looking to connect with more people in your favorite communities, this is a great feature to use. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon will take you to your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. In the Settings menu, find and click on Friend Requests in the left sidebar. This section lets you manage how people can connect with you. Now here's the important step. You'll see an option labeled Enable Server Members. Toggle this setting on. By doing this, you're allowing anyone from the servers you belong to send you friend requests. It's a simple way to make new friends and expand your network. And that's it. You've successfully enabled friend requests from server members on Discord. This feature opens up new opportunities for connecting with like-minded individuals in your communities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and updates. Happy connecting!